Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Postman and remove saved environments, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, close Postman if it is currently running. For Windows users, navigate to the control panel. Select Programs and Features. Find Postman in the list of installed programs. Right-click on Postman and select Uninstall. Follow the prompts to complete the uninstallation process. For Mac users, open the Applications folder in Finder. Locate the Postman application. Drag the Postman icon to the trash. To remove saved environments, open Postman before uninstallation. In the top navigation bar, click on Environments. Select each environment you wish to delete. Click on the trash can icon next to each environment. Confirm the deletion when prompted. Now, if you are using the native app, check for hidden files. Open File Explorer and enter the following path in the address bar: /users/your username /appdata/rom. Delete the Postman folder found there. For Mac, open Finder and press Command plus Shift plus G. Enter /library application support /postman and click Go. Delete the Postman folder present in that directory. After that, consider clearing your browser cache if you used the web version. Open your browser settings and find the option to clear browsing data. Select the appropriate checkboxes to remove cached images and files. Finally, restart your computer to ensure all components are fully removed. You have now successfully uninstalled Postman and removed all saved environments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.